Growing up, my mom always had a fresh batch of beans ready for dinner. So now it's become a habit for me to make a fresh batch every other week. And maybe it's time for you to learn too. They're cheap, and when done right, you can pack in a ton of flavor. Now, I do like making them a few different ways, so let's start with these charred lemon white beans first. Start by charring some lemon, onion, and a whole bulb of garlic, and of course, spice it up if you can handle it. Add your soaked beans, any herbs you may have hanging out in your fridge, and then submerge it all in water and let it simmer away until your beans get nice and tender. During that wait time, I like to make some extra condiments like this avocado scallion salsa to serve along with it. Just a simple combo of some avocado, scallions, jalapeno, herbs, and lemon. Now, once your beans are cooked, squeeze out your garlic and discard the bay leaf stems, onion, and garlic skins. Then stir in some miso and charred lemon juice for a little extra savory flavor. Now serve with that salsa, and if you care to know,